What's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. So today I am recreating a makeup look that I did for work the other day, and a lot of you guys actually said that you liked it and that you wanted me to do a video on it. It was actually pretty simple, but I'm here to please you guys. So normally I only do one foundation on my face, but the other day I was like, okay, I'm a little more red than normal and I'm a little bit darker than normal because I've been outside so much. So I actually put all three of my foundations together to make a little combo that I think actually worked really well with my face. I used all three of mine. So I used the Makiage in the color 070, Wake Up Like This. I used my Tarte face tape in fair light beige, and then I used my Huda Beauty in the color Macaroon. I just put all three of them together, put it on the back of my hand, and then put it on my face. But it actually blends really well together. I'm just using one of my little Real Technique brushes to blend the colors together, because sometimes you just don't have the correct foundation that you're looking for, and I just didn't. So I was like, oh, let's just pipe this a little bit. I am an artiste, can't you tell? So now I'm going to use my Microfiber beauty blender and just blend it out. Now the one thing that I will say is the Makiage dries really fast, so I have to work a lot faster now when I'm putting this on with other foundations, because I'll come back and I'll have to blend again because it's dried so fast, and I'm like, oh crap, I forgot. So if my hair looks a little cray-cray, you see that little curl? I don't know where it came from. I liked it, so we're rocking it. I don't know about you guys, but this combo, I am just digging. And it feels really good on my skin too. Gotta get my ears. Gotta get my ears. Can't be having one ear or two ears looking crazy. Oh, yes, girl, yes. Oh, mama likes you. This little curl is just, I'm digging it. So, all right. My son keeps saying mama, and I've hid myself in my room. So if he happens to come in, you guys know why. I've been hiding. So now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape. Again, this was very simple. The look that I did was really simple, but I liked it. I think you guys liked it. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. I was just like, let's take a picture. I really appreciate you guys liking my spicy noodle challenge with my sister. That was a sacrifice. I was on the toilet for like days. If any of you guys are thinking of a quick fix for losing weight, spicy noodle challenge. Hey, why not? Who said you can't do that? All right. Everybody look left, look up. Everybody look right, look back. Okay, I've been watching The Lion King for the last, I don't know, a week. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Kat Von D translucent powder. Ooh, that was a lot, girl. You don't need all that. Light pressure, you guys. I legit think I got a little bit of oil in my eyeball. Now we're going to do contour. I'm going to use my Morphe 8L palette. Again, I'm going to go in with Donut. the contour is done. I don't do a real heavy contour when it goes down to work and everything. I'm just putting a little thing on my face and then going to work. So now I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Cheek. Now I'm going to go back in with my Morphe, the 8L palette, and I'm going to go in with the highlighting, which is Supernova and Cosmic at the bottom. So Supernova and Cosmic are the two that I go in with both. And this is the donut color that I went in for my contour. So the highlight's done, contour is done, my foundation is done, my concealer's done. What else do I have to do? Boom! I'm gonna go in with the Zulu from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go in with this brown right here just to do the base of my eyes. Again, I just did two colors for work. I did the brown, and then I did this pinkish, purplish, metallic color on the top of my lid. Again, I kept it real simple. Oh wait, and I did a little bit of green in the corners. But again, I'll show you all that. This NYX Professional Makeup Brush. I don't know what it is, but I'm obsessed with this little thing. It is like my go-to jam brush. And you can definitely tell that this palette's getting some use because I'm all about it. Just something light, nothing too harsh or too crazy. So what I'm gonna go in now is I'm gonna go with the Zulu by Juvia's again, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Again, it's like this purple pink-ish metallic color. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my ring finger like that so you guys can see it. And then I'm just gonna put it on my lid. Simple. All right. Now, and I'm gonna go in with this green right here, the metallic green or neon green. I'm just gonna take the green on the corner of my eye. Like I did. See, I just put the green on. So I went in with the LA Girl Ultimate Eye Instant Stay Auto Liner in the color like blue turquoise. This bad boy is like beautiful. I absolutely love it. It glides on perfectly and in my waterline. Me so happy. thing that I did is I just did my ColourPop Lippy pencil in maroon, and then I just went over it with the e.l.f. Pout Perfector glitter, and that was it. Like, again, very simple, very easy. I just wanted something with a little bit of color and a little bit of like, hey, here I am. And that is it, you guys. My simple makeup look that I normally wear to work. But that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers, so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to the 200 mark before my 1-year anniversary. That is October 6th, I believe, of me being on YouTube. So I'm pretty proud of myself that I've already passed 50 videos. I've gotten 131 subscribers so far. I appreciate each and every last one of you who have been here and who have subscribed, who have commented. I am trying to do my very first giveaway for you guys once I hit my 200 mark, just to show appreciation for you guys who have been here with me. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!